Hey, welcome to CZVERSE.ai. AI, agents, crypto, Web3, quantum, robotics, the technologies reshaping our reality. Explained clearly. Let's get into today's story. 3 billion people. That is approximately how many individuals use Meta's platforms: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Threads. You're looking at roughly 40% of every human being alive on Earth. This week, Meta confirmed a permanent infrastructure update. They have officially started paying content creators in USDC, the US dollar stablecoin, settled directly on the Polygon blockchain. This is no longer a pilot. It is live financial plumbing. For years, the running assumption in the crypto industry was that mass adoption required a standalone, decentralized application, a killer app that would pull users away from traditional tech. The reality is that the highest volume deployment in blockchain history is arriving as a background update to the apps you already have installed. Web3 is being integrated as the invisible backend for the world's largest social media network. The bottleneck for decentralized tech has always been the user experience. Navigating 24-word seed phrases, managing wallet security, and deciphering cryptographic hashes creates a barrier that most people simply won't cross. Meta's creator program bypasses that friction entirely. The wallet infrastructure is embedded directly into the familiar Instagram and Facebook dashboards. Creators receive payments for their work without ever needing to interact with the underlying blockchain complexity. This mirrors how we adopted previous generations. Uber normalized GPS tracking and PayPal normalized digital transfers because the complexity was hidden behind a simple interface. True mass adoption happens when a technology becomes an invisible utility, solving a problem people already have without requiring them to learn how it works. On the front end, the experience is simple. A creator earns revenue, receives a notification, and the digital dollars are available. The blockchain remains entirely in the background. Meta chose Circle's USDC for the asset layer because it is an institutional-grade, fully backed digital dollar. This removes the volatility associated with typical cryptocurrencies, ensuring a creator's earnings remain stable. Processing millions of micropayments directly on Ethereum mainnet is economically impossible due to high fees and limited speed. Meta solves this using Polygon as a high-speed parallel track, processing transactions in seconds for fractions of a penny to handle massive volume. For Polygon, this validates years of work. They have spent the last market cycle building the specific infrastructure needed to handle this level of institutional payout volume. By successfully routing Meta's creator payments, the USDC and Polygon stack has established a performance benchmark. Other blockchain networks now have a specific standard to meet if they want to handle global institutional flows. This infrastructure solves significant cross-border friction in emerging markets. In many regions, international payments involve high conversion fees, mandatory bank accounts, and local currency inflation. A creator in an underbanked area can now hold and manage US dollars using only a smartphone and an Instagram account. The technology provides a level of financial access that traditional banking systems often fail to offer. Meta's move changes the expectations for the entire industry. When one platform can offer near-instant, stable settlement, the standard multi-day bank transfer cycles used by other companies begin to look outdated. Competitors like YouTube, TikTok, and X now have a new timeline for their own payment updates. Creators paid instantly in USDC will likely start questioning why earnings elsewhere still take 5 business days to clear a traditional bank account. Meta has established a new benchmark for creator compensation. Every platform competing for talent must now justify why they aren't offering similar blockchain-based settlement. This timeline suggests a rapid shift in the platform economy. By 2030, features like automatic revenue splits between collaborators and programmable global payouts will likely be standard across every major social network. This integration embeds blockchain into the daily routines of billions of people. It makes Web3 a permanent layer of the global tech infrastructure. Thank you for watching. I know we go deep on the technical realities here, and I appreciate you being part of the community. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. I drop one of these every week. The next one covers the Maryland quantum budget and the race for US quantum infrastructure. Before you go, drop a comment. Which platform do you think will be the next to adopt stablecoin creator payments? YouTube, TikTok,
or X. This is CZVERSE, and I'll see you in the next one.